Hello students, in this video let us discuss what is unit cell and types of crystal systems, Bravais lattices, etc. So see here, first of all, in the nature total 230 crystals are present and they are classified into 32 classes. Again, they subgrouped into 14 Bravais lattices, and again they are subclassified into 7 crystal systems. How this classification they did, let us see here. Okay, total, this is the classification of which one crystals. Okay, then to know regarding which one here crystal systems 7 types, first let us know what is the unit cell. What is meant by unit cell? What is a space lattice? What is a crystal lattice? And what are the 7 type of crystal structures or crystal lattices are present? So see here first. Unit cell means the simplest unit of a crystal lattice which repeats again and again. That is said to be which one? Unit cell. So that is the simplest unit of a crystal lattice or crystal structure that repeat again and again. So what is the general example how you can understand that means? If you consider a wall, how we can construct the wall means it is made up of with bricks. So the brick is the simplest unit of a wall that repeats again and again. So like that, the simplest unit which repeat again and again in a crystal system, that is said to be unit cell. Okay, then after that, what is the meaning of space lattice and crystal lattice? See here, space lattice means the arrangement of constituent particles of a crystal in the space is known as space lattice. The arrangement of constituent particles in the space is said to be space lattice. Now, what is the difference between space lattice and crystal lattice or crystal structure? Very simple. Crystal structure equals to, or crystal lattice equals to, what is that? Space lattice when occupied with unit cell, that complete structure is said to be crystal lattice. So how we can generalize that? So don't worry, I will give the general example. First, if you go for the construction of a house, what we can see here? First, they can give the basement. They give which one first? Basement. First, they can give the pillars. They give which one here? Pillars. And we can see the slab. So here no rooms are there. That means here this structure we can take example for which one? Space lattice. Only that pillars and slab is there. But if this is occupied with rooms, if this is occupied with rooms, now this commander which one here? This example is for which one? House. That means here when space lattice is occupied with unit cells, means single rooms like that. Now that complete structure is said to be which one? Crystal lattice. So like that, space lattice plus unit cell will give the crystal structure. Okay, then after that, unit cells are basically are of two types. What are the two types of unit cells? Let us see. After that, let us go for 7 crystal systems, how they are differentiated from one another. Okay, first, unit cells are basically of two types. First one primitive unit cell, second one centered unit cell. So what is the meaning of primitive unit cell here? Primitive unit cell means the constituent particles present at corners only. If constituent particles present at corners only, now that is said to be primitive unit cell or simple cubic unit cell. Now let us find the effective number of atoms present in simple cube. Sir, you are saying that 8 atoms there na at corners, then what is calculation means? Let us see here. These 8 constituent particles present at the corners. That means if any one particle present at corner, completely that not belongs to that unit cell. It contribute only 1/8 part to this unit cell. So with contribution, we have to calculate effective number of atoms in simple cube. So 8 corners are there, means 8 into corner contribution 1/8. So only one atom, that means only effective number of atoms, how many in simple cube means only one. That is also said to be rank. Rank of simple cube is how much means 1. Okay, then this is regarding which one? Simple cube. Next come to which one? Centered unit cells. What are centered unit cells? In case of centered unit cells, constituent particles present at 8 corners and other than the corners also. Along with the corners, constituent particles present at the positions other than corners also. So now again these are classified into 3 types, which are centered unit cells are again are of 3 types. The first one in that body centered. So what is body centered cube and where the constituent particles are located? Let us see here. For that हम क्या करेगा? एक क्यूब ड्रा करना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now in body center, constituent particles present at corners, that is common. Along with the corners, at the center of the body, that means in the middle, at the center of the body, one constituent particle is there. Let us calculate rank of this body centered cube. 8 corners means 8 into 1/8 plus 1 is at body centered. What is body center contribution? 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Rank of body centered cube is how much means 2. Okay, then come to face centered cube. What are the locations of constituent particles in face centered cube? Let us see here. Okay. Along with corners, constituent particles present at the center of the faces. How many face centers for a cube? We know that 6 face centers. Now let us check what is the rank or effective number of atoms. So 8 corners means 8 into 1/8 plus 6 face centers. Each face center contribution is 1/2. So now what is the rank of face centered cube? 4. Okay, then one more centered unit cell is there, end centered. Let us see what is end centered diagram here. What are the locations of constituent particles in end centered? Let us see here. In end centered, first all the atoms are located at corners. This is common in all these cases. along the corners any of the two opposite face centers, only two opposite, not all opposite face centers, any of the two opposite face centers, up and down or front and back or left and right, anything you can consider here, but only at any two opposite face centers. So now what is the rank here? 8 into 1 by 8 plus 2 face centers only there. So 2 into 1 by 2, 1 plus 1, 2. That means here both body centered and end centered have the same rank. Rank is how much? 2. So like this, these are which one? The types of unit cells. Okay, then let us see what are the 7 crystal systems and what are the space or Bravais lattices present in them, how they are characterized like the 7 crystal systems. So many students and so many members will get confusion to remember the characteristics of 7 crystal systems. But don't worry about that. If we know the numericals 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in order, easily we can go to write that characteristics and how they are classified. Okay, first, one unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters. What are the 6 parameters? 3 edges and angles among the edges. Let A, B, C are the dimensions of which one edges, and alpha, beta, gamma are angles among these edges. So like that, one unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters. Here that 7 crystal systems also divided into 7 types. That means the crystal systems divided into 7 types based on these 6 parameter characteristics only. So how they are differentiated, let us see here. So first let us start with cubic, means 3. After 3 what we can get? 4, 5, 6 like that. You have to remember that numericals, don't worry. Now cubic. Cubic means what are the characteristics? A equal to B equal to C, alpha equals to beta equals to gamma equals to 90. And cubic has how many space lattices or Bravais lattices? Means 3. What are the 3? Simple cube, body centered cube, face centered cube. And example for cubic is NaCl. NaCl already we studied so many times that what is the structure? Face centered cubic. Face centered cubic also come under which one? Cubic only na. So this is one example. Okay, then after writing this cubic, we have to go for which one here? 3. After 3 what we can get to? 4. 4 means we have to write tetrahedral, or you can write tetragonal, or we can write the tetrahedral structure also. Now what are the characteristics of this tetragonal? So what are the characteristics? Means एक एक खराब करके आना पड़ेगा. एक एक खराब करके आना पड़ेगा means what here? We have to unequalize one by one. That means first A equals to B not equals to C. So we made unequal this one. But here no change as it is. Alpha equals to beta equals to gamma equals to 90 degrees. And this has how many? Means 2 Bravais lattices. 2 Bravais lattices. What are those? Means one is a simple cube, second one is a body centered cube. And example for tetragonal is which one? White tin and SnO2 are examples for tetragonal. Okay, after 3, 4, what is in numericals? 5. But remember 5 as orthorhombic. So the third one is here orthorhombic. Now already we discussed here एक एक खराब करके आना पड़ेगा. That means A not equals to B not equal to C. Here this is as it is. Alpha equals to beta equals to gamma equals to 90. It has 4 brevis or space lattices. What are the 4? Simple cube, body centered cube, end centered cube, face centered cube. Those are the 4 brevis or space lattices present in these. And what is the example for orthorhombic? Orthorhombic sulfur. So orthorhombic sulfur is example for this orthorhombic. So let it be the 3, 4, 5. After 5 what we can get to 6. 6 means easy to remember, hexagonal. Okay, then up to here we made unequalized one by one. Now let us start equalizing. That means एक एक सही करके जाना पड़ेगा. That means here A equal to B but not equal to C, and alpha equals to beta equals to 90 but gamma not equals to 90 degrees. So this is the this is regarding which one here, hexagonal. So now what is and hexagonal is also having how many here? One brevis lattices or one space lattice. And example for this one is graphite. Okay, in fourth year group elements we studied that which one, that graphite structure. It is having two-dimensional layer structure. Each layer is made up of with hexagonal rings. So graphite is an example of which one, hexagonal. Okay, after this 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means here so much fat. It is not good for health. So reduce its weight to half. Hexagonal, made it half. Means what we have to write here? Trigonal. ट्राइगोनल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एक एक सही करके जाना पड़ेगा. हम ऑलरेडी गिवन दैट स्टेटमेंट. सो ए इक्वल टू बी इक्वल टू सी, अल्फा बीटा गामा all are equal but not equals to 90 degrees. And here trigonal also has one brevis lattice or one space lattice, that is primitive only. Here also primitive only. And what is example for trigonal means calcite, means CaCO3 is one example for this trigonal. And finally we have to remember the last two easily. What is that? Monoclinic, and another last one is triclinic. For these two, A not equals to B not equals to C. Here also A not equals to B not equal to C. But in monoclinic, beta not, alpha and gamma are equals to 90 but beta not equals to 90. How to remember this? Means very easy. Monoclinic means we have to remember one name, monarch. Monarch means that beta. Monarch is beta of someone. That monarch listen to don't listen to anyone. He can't listen to anyone. So that means beta means beta. Think like that. Beta not equals to 90. And here monoclinic is having which one here? Two brevis lattices. And example here monoclinic sulfur. Okay, then come to triclinic, and angles also not equal to one another and also not equal to 90 degrees. It has only one brevis lattice, and example is K2Cr2O7. So now here once count all these, how many brevis lattices are here? 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 1 14. So that means these 7 crystal systems contain total how many Bravais lattices? 14. That means 14 Bravais lattices are subgrouped into how many crystal systems? 7 crystal systems. Now let us see what are the questions we get regarding this table. The first question is, which is the most stable form in the all among these crystal structures? What is that? Cubic. Because all edge lengths are equal and angles also equal, and that too equal to 90 degrees. So that is the most stable one. What is the most unstable crystal structure or crystal system? Means triclinic, because all are not equal, pura kharab hua. So this is most unstable. And after that, one most important question, that is a matchbox, if you consider, that is come under which type of a crystal structure? A matchbox. I think so many of you well known of matchbox here. That matchbox we can take that like this here. Okay, here also we can see that. Okay, matchbox means here that length, breadth and height are not equal to one another. That means A not equal to B not equal to C, but the angles among them are equal, and that too equal to 90 degrees. That means which characteristics set for matchbox? Means this one, A not equal to B not equal to C, alpha, beta, gamma are equal to 90. That means matchbox is having orthorhombic type of crystal structure. And also we have to remember some examples also. So now what is the NaCl is having which type of crystal structure? Cubic, orthorhombic, hexagonal, like that they give the options, cubic structure. So, and another type of questions. What are the another type of questions? See here. A crystal system is having the following characteristics or following parameters. What are that? A equals to 2 angstroms, B equals to 2 angstroms, C equals to 1 angstrom, and alpha, beta, gamma all are equals to 90 degrees. So with these parameters, what is the crystal structure of that compound? So now here A and B values given equal, but C is not equal to them. So which one we have to consider here? A equal to B not equal to C, but all the angles are equal to 90. That means these parameters represent which structure? Means a tetragonal structure. And another type of question, what is there? Now body centered present in how many crystal systems? Body centered unit cell or space lattice or Bravais lattice present in how many crystal systems? So now already cubic gone away. Okay, in cubic also body center is there, and in tetragonal also body center is there, in orthorhombic also body center is there. But here in this monoclinic, two Bravais lattices are there. One is which one? Primitive. Another one is end centered. That means 3 of the crystal structures contain body centered cubic unit cell. Like that they give the question. And another one, monoclinic contains which Bravais lattices? Means one is primitive, another one is end centered. How to remember that? Means once you observe this table, you come to know that this monoclinic that is present at the end of the table. So like that, remember, primitive is common in anywhere. Primitive plus what is there in that monoclinic means end centered, because that is present at the end of the table. So remember like that. So these are the different questions we can get regarding this seven crystal systems, Bravais lattices, and unit cells. Okay. In our next video, we can go for which one? Braggs equation, X-ray diffraction, etc. Okay, right. Thank you.